So guys, it's a new year, it's 2026, and guess what? Felicia is ready to do her designs, her balloon design and her decor. So this morning I've decided to do two arches with balloons. One is an open arch and the one is a full arch. I've started the balloons on the open arch, which I've been doing neck to neck. And the reason why I do neck to neck, I basically tie the neck of each balloons to each other because that makes it a lot neater. And also to attach it to the floor, I simply use one of those hooks on the floor, and then I use a 260 balloon to hold the balloon in place. Now, to attach my sign, I like to attach my sign to the backdrop on this backdrop before I actually put the balloons on, just so that I can know where to structure the balloons. So in order to attach the sign, I'm just going to be using these clamps right there. And I'm going to be using fish line hooks to hold the signs in place. Also, I'm going to be using the same clamps as well with 260 balloons to hold the balloons in place. So stay tuned and just watch me do my work. So I have attached my sign with invisible fishing line. So as you can see, you're not really seeing the fish line itself, and I've put a few clamps on the side because that's where I'm going to be attaching my 260 balloons to hold the actual balloons in place. Yeah, step by step. Yeah, so the sign is now attached. So on the open arch where you see the balloons are attached, I'm just gonna be attaching 2 sets of pink, 1 set on each side, while the nude one stays in the middle. And I'm gonna be using the neck to neck tying of the balloons in order to keep it neat and tidy. There you have it. So the balloons are now starting to take its shapes, and I'm just gonna be adding, so those are size 9 inches, so I'm just gonna be doing some smaller inches just to fill the gaps in between. But once I come back, I'll let you know the sizes that I've decided to use. So because we have a pink in the middle here, we will need to put a nude color right beside it. So I will do it interchangeably as I go along on the arch itself, just so that you don't have the same colors beside each other. So I have now completed the balloons on the arches, and I'm just gonna be filling the gaps with some fillers. So I've made 3 different types of fillers, and these are the fillers that are going to be filling the gaps on the decor. So those are the fillers. And now I'm just going to be inserting them on the balloon arches using the 260 balloons. So guys, this is the end result after having filling all the gaps with the fillers. Yeah, this is it. Looking really, really nice.